Hello everybody, I am so excited to show you this unboxing for this Nordgreen watch that I've been waiting for such a long time. It's my dream watch, and ever since I first saw it, I knew I had to have it. So I'm really excited to open this up with you guys and see what's inside. Let's finish ripping that up, putting it to the side. And it came really nicely in this box, protected. Let's check it out. Lovely. There's a nice little message right there from the Nordgreen team saying that basically this is from FSC certified paper, the boxes, to recycle them, and that's part of their sustainability. And I'm gonna put this receipt to the side right over here, and look at that. Sorry for that sound. Wow, that is so beautiful. I love this box. It's just such a beautiful jewel tone blue. And you can already see the Nordgreen Copenhagen logo right there. I'm going to turn it on the side and take it out for a moment. There we go. It's a beautiful box. It is so well made, and I am so excited to basically store my watch in this. I could even store my jewelry in this, and I think it's just so beautiful. And here it has a little tab so I can open it and pull it to the side. Let's take a look. Right here, pulling open the watch box. Let's see. Wow, it's so beautiful. My watch is finally here. So I'm gonna pull it open a little bit right there. A little more. There we go. So right here you can see the watch with the mesh strap that I chose. And here's the Nordgreen Copenhagen user manual. And this is the little lever. Let me put this down real quick and aim the camera down so you can see it real quick. There we go. And here is a little manual, probably with the warranty. They have excellent customer service, I know that much. And I know that all of their materials and their mission is just to be very sustainable, and they always give proceeds of that sale to charitable organizations. So I just really love that. Right here, we got some nice little papers that talk about the history of the Scandinavian design and why it's important to give back. So I just really love that they're so intentional with that. Put that to the side for now. This little lever I saw is to be able to open this mesh strap. That way you can adjust it, so that's perfect. And here is my vegan leather alternative strap for my watch. That way I can use it for more casual times. So I'm going to be storing it right over there. And I'm going to be taking out the beautiful watch right here. There we go. It's in a really nice felt-like pouch right here. So as you can see, I have really small wrists actually. My wrists are really tiny, and whenever I've gotten watches in the past, they just did not look really well resting on my wrist, but this is, I think, going to be the perfect size for me. I love rose gold, and as you can see, the rose gold theme really runs in my wardrobe, and even my ring is rose gold too. So it's just gonna look so beautiful on my wrist right over here. I love it so much. I can already see that the size is perfect for me. And just this beautiful mesh strap is so lovely, and it really catches that light too, and I can't wait to take out the packaging finally. We're going to be releasing it right here. Let's see. There we go. It's coming off. And I think there's one more right over here. Taking it off the dial. There we go. It's just so lovely, and I think they put in such beautiful craftsmanship. And right here, you can even see my reflection. This is a mother of pearl dial, and I love it. It is just such a gorgeous watch, and I cannot wait to use it. I think it just looks so lovely. It's perfect. It's perfect for me. Let's see if I can slip it on. And it hooks on right over here on that bar and clip. Wow, that is so, so pretty. I'll definitely take off the rest of the plastic I know is underneath that a little bit later, but right now I just want to see what it looks like on my wrist and just how it would look like with the rest of my jewelry. I think it'll be so beautiful because I always have rose gold on me, and that's just part of my style. Love it. I am so thrilled because I feel like I can finally have my watch. There were a couple of reasons why I really wanted a watch, and the main is because I really love the way watches look, of course, but I just did not want to rely on my iPhone to look at the time all the time, and I just did not want to continue to pull out my device whenever I just wanted to see what time of the day it was. And I think that is something very valuable. It separates me from my device, and I just love this because it's a piece of jewelry, but it's also very functional, and I think I am so in love with the way it looks. I've searched up this company for 2+ years now, and I have waited and waited until they restocked this beautiful rose gold mother of pearl watch, and I believe this is the Lille size, which is the one for the smallest of wrists like mine. So it fits really nicely, and it really is the perfect size for me because usually watches look very big and bulky, and so I just love the way this looks. It is very dainty, it is so timeless, and this is going to be a part of my statement jewelry and my wardrobe for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I finally get to share it with you all. I encourage you to look up this company, Nordgreen by Copenhagen, just because they are very sustainable in everything they do, and the pieces that they create are all with the Scandinavian design in mind, and I just think they are so gorgeous, and I've been waiting for so long to make a review on this beautiful watch and also do the unboxing. So I'm very happy to be able to do that. I just think it looks so beautiful, don't you? It's just such a lovely piece, and you can see through the mother of pearl dial right there how reflective it is. There are so many beautiful types of natural colors in that mother of pearl watch, and I just think it's so lovely. I'm very excited to wear it. I finally get to wear it now that I've unboxed it, and definitely share it with you. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I can definitely try to answer those as much as possible. It is stainless steel, which is perfect because it's going to be lasting a really long time. And I thought that I would have to maybe take it to get it altered because it might not fit on my wrist. But with this mechanism right over here, you can really adjust with that little lever that was in the packaging. You can really adjust the length that you need for your watch. So it's perfect because it is very adjustable. And I just love the way it looks. And I'm so happy I finally get to wear it and share it with you all. And please feel free to subscribe and like so that I can show you more of my sustainability picks like Nordgreen from Copenhagen. Love it. Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Paralife website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!